the mind becomes a quiet field. No pull of thought, no restless drift, just open space where truth is revealed. Like clear glass holding gentle light, it mirrors what is set in view. The watcher watching what is seen begin to soften into untruth. In stillness held without demand, the inner vision opens wide. No edge between the one who sees and what is seen. On every side, from smallest point to endless span, the same deep order comes to light. The quiet mind reflects it all, the near, the far, the dark, the bright. With focus steady, free of strain, attention rests, detached and clear. What once appeared as separate forms now shares one source, one presence here. To know another, know the whole. To see the part, perceive the vast. As inner knowing deepens calm, division loosens, fades and passes. In stillness held without demand, the inner vision opens wide. No edge between the one who sees and what is seen. On every side, from smallest point to endless span, the same deep order comes to light. The quiet mind reflects it all, the near, the far, the dark, the bright. Through steady focus, gently kept, the inner mirror stays refined. What fills the field is clearly known, unshaped by grasp or push of mind. As stillness settles deep and sure, the inner view becomes complete. All forms align within one field where